What's good, everybody? Steve here. I'm going to talk about an app called coinout. If you want to just make some extra money, I just started using it yesterday. You can scan receipts from basically almost most retail stores. I think I even did one of the movie theaters, and it gave me credit. But it's real easy. Let's scan some receipts. I believe you can't do the same receipt twice, but I believe all these receipts are new. So let's just go and see what's happening. Let's do the first receipt, the Winco receipt right here. So Winco, we're going to scan it. It's real easy. Just hit scan, submit. And I was credited 7 cents. It's real easy to use. I think it goes by percentage of the amount, and it also depends on the store, the retail store. So now let's do the Target receipt. You hit scan, and it doesn't matter if your receipt's long. You just have to make sure you kind of cover the whole receipt. Hit scan and hit submit, and let's see what it does. I was credited 5 cents. You can do about, I think, 7 or 8 of these a day. And it doesn't have to be your own receipt. Now this receipt, I don't think I've done this one before. I had a pile of receipts that I did the other day. And let's see. So I'm up to 97 cents total. Let's see if this Winco receipt, I hope I haven't done this one yet. And if I did, it will tell me, because you can't do the same receipt twice. So I'm going to hit scan. And since this is a long receipt, I'm going to make sure it kind of can read it. It's kind of wrinkly too. And I'm going to hit scan. Let's see if it'll read it. Hit scan. Okay. Now I'm going to hit submit. Oh, it credited me 7 cents. So that one was a good one too. So this is a good way to make some extra money. You can cash out with PayPal, but there is a minimum. There is a minimum of $10. So can you imagine doing this every day? Do 7, 8 receipts a day. It adds up, and then you just cash out the money directly through your PayPal to your bank account. So that's a good hustle for you guys. Make some extra money. Get those receipts, and get your neighbors' receipts. If your neighbors throw out their receipts, just say, hey, give me your receipts when you go to the store or when you go to the movies or whatever, and just scan them. It's real easy. Alright, that's my tip of the day, coinout. And hey, click on the link to sign up for coinout. Click on my referral link. If you like this video, hit like and hit subscribe. I'm out.